Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy beans recipe, and it's going to be very easy and simple. In a pot over medium flame, I'm going to add in some onions. While my onions are cooking, I'm going to be adding in some garlic and ginger. Cook until the onions are soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. When my onion is ready, I'm going to be adding in some tomatoes, carrots. Stir in. I've used 3 large tomatoes. While my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding some spices. I'm going to add some fennel seeds, cumin seeds, paprika, and 1 seasoning cube. Stir in the spices and let the spices cook together with the tomatoes and carrots. I love adding cumin seeds and fennel seeds in my bean recipes because they always make the beans to be very flavorful. Don't skip on the spices. As my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be chopping up some coriander stems. Don't throw away the coriander stems. They're full of flavor. I'm going to add this coriander stems in my pot. Stir in, and then I'm going to add in 1 small chili. At this point everything smells amazing, so the next thing is to add my pre-boiled beans. Stir in, add in a little bit of water. Over here I have some fresh oregano and thyme. I'm going to chop my oregano. Next I'm going to add in some thyme. When all these amazing flavors come together, my bean stew is going to be very delicious. So it's going to take about 5 minutes for my beans to get ready because my beans are already parboiled. So yeah, I'm going to chop my coriander ready to garnish my beans. I'm going to check the seasoning. Needs a little bit more salt, so I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Remember, our seasoning cube contains salt, so this is good. The salt that I'm adding is going to fully season our beans. At this point, I'm going to add in some green capsicum. My beans still looks so good. Just look at that. So I'm going to add in some cooking cream. Stir in. The cooking cream is going to add a lot of creaminess to my beans, hence I'm going to have a very delicious bean stew. I'm going to cook this for around 1 minute. My beans are ready and they look so good. I'm going to garnish my beans with some coriander. Stir in and switch off the gas. My beans are looking so creamy, flavorful, and very delicious. So I hope you're going to be trying out this amazing and flavorful bean recipe, and also I hope to catch you on my next video. Bye.